Hello everyone. Today we're going to compare Telus, Bell, and Rogers, three of the major Canadian telecom providers. So, Telus is known for its high-speed internet, mobile, and TV services, offering competitive plans with a focus on excellent customer service and network reliability. And Bell, as we know, provides a wide range of telecom services, including fiber internet, mobile plans, and TV, with some of the fastest internet speeds available in Canada. While Roger is a leading provider of mobile, internet, and TV services, offering comprehensive bundles and extensive network coverage across the country. So, in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Telus, Bell, and Rogers, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now right here on the features comparison, as we talk about network coverage, so Telus offers 99% of Canadians strong in rural areas. So they are available on the 99% of Canadians. Same thing with Bell and Rogers. So while Bell it is strong on in urban centers as well as Rogers. And when we talk about 5G availability, Telus is available on 70% of Canadians, and it is wide, very wide in Alberta and Ontario. And same thing with Bell, and it's wide in urban centers. Same thing with Rogers. When we talk about data plans, so Telus offers shareable data plans, and Bell offers competitive pricing and flexible plans, while Rogers offers range of plans with different data allowances. And when you talk about the additional features, so Telus offers unlimited data, prepaid plans, and phone deals, while Bell offers international calling, data rollover, and Rogers offers unlimited streaming data and device protection. So that's it for the basic features comparison. So now let's go directly to the pricing. So if you know, this pricing is only applicable on mobile networks only. So I'm going to show you the pricing comparison on their between their mobile network plans. So when we talk about the basic plan, Telus offers plans starting from $65 to $75 per month for 75 gigabyte of data with the speed of 250 Mbps. And when we talk about Bell, same thing again. So they also offer $65 to $75 per month for 75 gig and 250 Mbps of speed. And while Rogers, their plans can start from 65 to $75 to 80 or $90 per month for 75 gig up to 175 gig of data with a speed of 250 Mbps up to unlimited data speeds. So which is very good. And when we talk about the premium plan, so Telus can start from $80 to $95 per month for 200 gig of data with a speed of 2 Gbps. And same thing for Bell, but they offers it for $80 to $100 per month for 150 gig to 200 gig of data with the 5G plus speeds. And lastly, for Rogers, they offers $100 to $110 per month for 175 up to 200 gig with unlimited data speed. Lastly, for student plans, so Telus offers mobility plans for student up to $60 per month using student bins. So you need to go to student bins and as find some codes to redeem to in order to have a promotion. And when you talk about the Bell, so also Bell, they have a student mobility plan for $55 per month, 50 gig of 5G data, and 250 Mbps. And lastly, for Rogers, they offer starting from $44 to $49 per month for 50 to 100 gig of data and fixed speed. So yes, that's it for the simple pricing comparison or the mobile network between the platforms. So now let's go directly to the performance. When we talk about network speed, so as you can see, Telus is consistently ranked high for fast speed. Same thing with Bell. They have high speed networks, especially with fiber. While Rogers, they have very high speed but slightly lower than Telus and Bell. And when we talk about reliability, reliable, especially in urban areas. So same thing with Bell, especially with fiber network. And Rogers, they are very reliable, but they have some issues in rural areas. And when we talk about the 5G performance, Telus is very fast and reliable in 5G in major cities. And Bell, they have comparable 5G performance in key locations. And Rogers, they have 5G available but may lag slightly behind. So that's it for the performance. So now let's go to customer and support. So when we talk about the customer service rating, Telus is very highly rated and they have excellent service. Bell, they have competitive but mixed reviews of customer service rating. And lastly, for Rogers, they are also reliable but they have slower response times. So, for the support channels, Telus offers phone, social media, and virtual assistants. Bell, they have phone support, social media support, and virtual assistant also. Same thing with Rogers. So, lastly, for the awards, Telus is awarded as Canada's most respected mobile service provider. Bell, they have mixed reviews on customer service. And Rogers, they are reliable but not exceptional. So that's it for the customer support. So now we're done with the customer support, features, pricing, and performance comparison. So now let's go directly to pros and cons. So when we talk about the pros and cons of Telus, when we talk about pros, Telus have consistently rated for fast speed and high network reliability, making it ideal for users who require uninterrupted internet and mobile connection. So Telus Pure Fiber offers excellent upload and download speeds, particularly beneficial for heavy internet users or businesses. They have the options for smart home security service and adds a value for customers seeking a unified experience across home and internet services. Lastly, they have competitive mobile and internet bundling options, making it cost effective for households needing multiple services. And when we talk about the cons, Telus, they have a higher pricing may not appeal to budget conscious consumers. And also, they have their service availability can be limited in more rural or remote regions, which can affect users outside urban areas. Lastly, the installation and equipment fees can add to the initial cost for new customers. So that's it for the Telus pros and cons. When we talk about the Bell pros and cons, so Bell, when we talk about pros, Bell fiber optic technology deliver fast internet speeds and reliable connections, especially in urban areas where fiber is available. They have extensive network coverage, particularly strong for mobile service across Canada, ensures good connectivity for most users. They also offer smart home services and attractive bundles for those looking to combine mobile, internet, and TV service into one plan. And that's it. And when we talk about the cons, Bell customer support experience are mixed, with some users reporting long wait times and inconsistent service quality. Their fiber coverage is still expanding, so not all areas can access Bell high speed services, leaving some areas reliant on slower DSL options. Their pricing can be higher, especially for the top tier fiber and mobile plans, which may deter those looking for more affordable options. So that's it for the Bell pros and cons. Lastly, for the Rogers pros and cons, Rogers provides competitive pricing and bundle options, making it a strong choice for those looking for cost effective services across mobile, TV, and internet. They have widely available 5G network with coverage in many major cities, allowing users to experience very fast mobile data speeds. And Rogers Smart Home Monitoring offers a convenient solution for customers looking to integrate home security with their internet services. So that's it for the pros. And when we talk about the cons of Rogers, Rogers' internet performance, especially in rural areas, can be inconsistent, with some users reporting slower speeds or connectivity issues. Rogers customer service have been noted for long wait times and less consistent support, which can frustrate users needing urgent assistance. And while Rogers offers 5G, Its performance and availability may not match the speeds and coverage provided by Telus or Bell, especially in certain areas. So that's it for the Rogers pros and cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons. Now let's go directly to which platform is the best for you. And let's start by discussing who should choose Telus. So Telus is preferable for someone who needs consistently fast internet and mobile speed with a focus on reliability, especially in urban and suburban areas. And then also ideal for users who value strong home security services and flexible bundle options. So if you have all of this quality, so Telus is the one for you. And for the people who should choose Bell, so Bell is preferable for someone who prioritizes fiber optic internet and high-speed mobile coverage, particularly for heavy internet users in areas where Bell Fiber's network is available. And also suitable for users who seek integrated services like smart home alongside their internet and mobile plans. So same thing with Telus. So if you have all of this quality, Bell is also the one for you. Lastly, for Rogers, so Rogers is referable for someone who seeks competitive pricing and bundles deals across internet, TV, and mobile services. And it is a very strong choice for those in urban areas looking for reliable 5G coverage and home monitoring options. So that's it. So if you have all of this quality, Rogers, you can choose Rogers. So that's it. So in summary, so Telus, Bell, and Rogers each offers robust services tailored to different needs. Telus is ideal for those prioritizing high-speed fiber internet and reliable mobile performance. Bell provides excellent fiber optic options for those in covered areas, while Rogers stands out for its competitive pricing and strong bundle deals, as you can see on the pricing. And you need to evaluate your specific needs, whether it's a fast internet, mobile coverage, or affordable bundles, and choose the provider that aligns best with your lifestyle. So, with that being said, the comparison is over, and I hope this comparison helps you choose the correct option. And also, that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.